What you can expect from the technicians at Smith's Plumbing once they arrive is they're going to greet you at the door. We are going to install shoe covers to protect your home. They're then going to go over a series of questions to determine what your issue is and the best way to approach the repair. We will then, after making that assessment, we'll put our own eyes on it, confirm everything, and then we're going to come back to you and give you a list of options for that repair. We will then go through the scheduling. Typically, if it's a smaller repair, it's going to be done right then while we're there. If it's a bigger repair, we're going to go ahead and have those things scheduled before we leave, and that way you'll know exactly when your problem is going to be taken care of. The precautions that we take during a service call to protect your home, there are a few. One, we wear shoe covers. Depending on the type of service you're receiving, we may also put floor covering down. If there's any type of dust that's going to happen during the service, then we're going to put up dust protection. But at the end of the day, we want to leave your house as good or better than when we arrived.
One of the biggest things that helps us do our job efficiently and also do a great job for the customer is you'll hear our technicians ask to do a thorough evaluation when we get to the home. A lot of people don't realize that your plumbing system is one big system that is connected. If you have high water pressure, that can, if you think about like high blood pressure, that can affect multiple parts of the body. It can also affect multiple parts of your plumbing system. So if you call us out for an issue that's in a bathroom, that plumber may still need to go through and look at the water heater, an outside faucet, kitchen faucet, a drain. Some of those things can all be connected together and causing separate issues or be connected to the same problem. So one thing to expect is a thorough evaluation being done of the home. That way we can make sure that we diagnose the issue properly and then give you great options on what those issues are.
If you're in need of service, please give us a call or visit us on the web at smithsplumbingservice.com.